Okay, so today we're putting in roll bar into the Miata. So first take the seat out, and then you take the panel out here. All of these guys. Okay, after you take the cover off, it looks like that. Yep, looks like that. Now we gotta take off the belt buckle, but this is what we've taken out so far. Okay, so we took the rest of the carpet out to make it easier to work on, and I'm surprised how well this is preserved. We live in Canada, so I thought this would be a lot worse in terms of rusting and so forth, but again, I guess hasn't been winter driven too much. So yeah, so now we gotta take this guy out and take the belt assembly out, and then we should be clear to kind of line up the roll bar. Okay, let's go. Okay, now we got the cover out, so actually it doesn't look too bad. We got to take the sound deadening out, and yeah, this is where the cut will have to be made. Yeah, so cut around there so that the roll bar can fit. But now at least we can try putting it in. A lot more wires than I thought. Yeah, and I thought there was gonna be an ECU here too, but there isn't. Guess it's a Canadian special. Yeah, after a lot of cutting in there, as you can see, it fits, and on the other side as well, it fits. So now we gotta start assembling it all together. I got the lower bolt in there and the upper bolt in here as well, but yeah, it was a surprisingly difficult job to get this in. Okay, so the belt tower is in, and all of these bolts are in here. Now we just gotta drill through these and drill through that there. So gotta take the wheels off and also take these liners off, and then we should be able to get to it. As you can see, that's in there. That was a one hell of an experience to drill, and then the front was much easier, obviously. Yeah, but we got it done. So it's all in. Yeah, now we just have to put it all back together, and also cut off this compartment here, the belt plastic piece there. So yeah, we'll get to it. So yeah, just shoot up some undercoat onto the bolts there, and also up top. Okay, now it's putting it all back together. Now we're just cutting up the belt tower, interior plastic piece. Trying to make it so that it fits well and nicely in there, but we'll see. Holy, okay, after 11 hours, it's in. Yeah, it's pretty high up. Looks nice. Now we'll wait for the seat to come, the tires and the wheels to come, and maybe a new suspension, because as we found out, the springs are broken, it's cracked, and the shocks are leaking too. So yeah. Alright, so unfortunately the Miata battery died. Battery's drained, so I'm gonna do the M3 first. Yeah, M3 needed an oil change anyways. I've been meaning to do so, so not a bad thing. Yeah, got it jacked up and has two drain bolts for the oil, weirdly enough. So gotta unbolt that and we should be all good to go. That already feels pretty hot. There we go. Okay, this side as well. Done. Okay, so I'm doing it with the Mali oil filter kit. Washer goes on the drain plug, filter obviously, and then the filter housing has two different washers, or I guess gaskets that they're giving you. So yeah, we'll pull the old one out and go from there. Yeah, and I put some rag in there. Oh wow, it's still very hot. It's a hot day. Okay, what you need now is a 36mm filter socket, and shouldn't be too hard to remove. Yep. Good. There we go. Yeah, this looks good too. They both look good, but we're gonna put on a new one anyway. And yep, feels good. Okay, little guy's on too. And then now the filter goes in. There we go. Okay, now that's good. Yeah, it used to be 18 foot-pounds as on here, but apparently it's not that anymore. It's 30. So I set it to 30. There we go. So I already replaced the washers on the drain bolts. Yeah, one of the new ones were actually bent. So I'm just gonna use the old one because the old one looked better. But yeah, otherwise, now we just have to put it in. Okay, then you put in 8.8 liters of engine oil. Okay, so I put in 8.5 liters, and yeah, we'll see what the levels are, and if we need to add more, we'll need to add more. Oil level's okay now, and yeah, we should be yeah, we should be good to do that. Just gotta reset it now. I got a whole bunch of lights on because I haven't cleared them, but yeah, oil change is done. Okay, so that's done over there. Moving on to this guy. It's now all charged up. Took it for a quick drive. So yeah, the oil should be warm. You need a 19mm and yeah, we're gonna take the drain bolt or drain plug out first. But yeah, it's right over there. Oh, right. Yeah, right here. I actually already loosened it, so it should come out pretty easily. There we go. Okay. Well, at least it's out. Yeah, the one with the lettering on it. So yeah, we gotta get that out. Probably gonna drain onto the cover a little bit. But yeah, let's get that guy. Now we'll put in the new filter. You can see AC Delco for the new filter, Bosch for the previous. I mean, I trust both. So yeah, before we put it in, we're probably what we're gonna do is just lubricate it a little bit, add a little bit of oil. I mean, it's going on sideways, so not too much because it's just gonna spill out if we fill it up. So yeah. By putting in way too much. The new one's in there. It's blue, so much easier to spot. Yep, so the new one goes on with the new washer and torque it down to 25 foot-pounds. Okay. Filled in the oil, but before I drop the car, I'm gonna actually do the transmission fluid as well. So that's the fill bolt right there. I loosened it already. Oh, still feels pretty hot. And that's the drain bolt. So got a lot of gunk. I don't know what this is. We'll have to figure that out. But yeah, remove the fill bolt first, because obviously if you loosen the drain bolt, drain the fluid, but you can't get to the fill bolt because it's just stuck straight on, then now you have a transmission without a fluid, and that's not good. You need a 9/16 wrench and remove this right there. That guy. Put some penetrating fluid and such a couple of days ago to loosen it easier, and you can see this is working. But yeah, usually this is a very difficult bolt to remove. Okay, so fill bolt is out and not a single drop coming out of there. I don't know if that's a good sign, but you know. Okay. There's fluid in there. Oh yeah, there we go. PV Blaster. Love you, PV Blaster. And yeah, apparently this smells a lot. Thankfully, I have my mask on, but I'm sure I'll still smell anyways. Now this reminds me of a car mechanic shop, the smell. Now you get a fluid pump of some sort and a transmission oil of some sort, and you pump it in. Okay, now we do this to 35 foot-pounds. Okay, good. Bill bolt is in, so everything should be done. Let's lower the car and check the oil levels. So yeah, don't be like me and overfill the transmission fluid. Yeah, I thought something was wrong where just kept going and going and going. I almost emptied out the third bottle as well. And obviously thinking back, car's not on level ground. I had to front lift it. I usually lift the car on all fours, and I don't know why I didn't do it, because I did it for that car just hours ago. And yeah, so don't do that, I guess. Yeah, waiting for the brand new transmission fluid to drain to a point where it's at a fill volt level. Yeah, at least again I don't have to drain the whole thing. Okay, don't be like me. Okay, so just check the oil level after the car's been warmed up, and it's at almost full, so that's where we want it. Okay, now let's put this away and call it a day. Good job.